You know, nature is the original healer. So if you want to heal, not just mentally, not just emotionally, but spiritually, energetically, then take your body outside because nature is the original healer. Before there were therapists, before there were self-help books, there were trees, there was sun, there was the earth beneath your feet. Did you know that just 20 minutes of outside can lower your cortisol levels? That's your body literally calming down when you're surrounded by greenery. Even your heartbeat syncs with the rhythm of nature. You're not just observing nature, you are nature. And when you're out there, you remember who you really are. You don't need a fancy retreat. You don't need a plane ticket. You just need to go outside. Let the wind touch your skin. Let the sun kiss your face. Let the trees remind you that growth is quiet, sacred, and slow. Because sometimes the medicine you're praying for is just one step into nature. That's it. So go outside and let nature do its job. Have a blessed day.